Hoy, mag-hi ka naman, sabi.
May katahan sabi.
Ayun guys, so paakit na kami ng bundok ng Kumrat. Right, Kumrat? Yes. At tingnan nyo naman guys, kung gaano kaganda ang Kumrat. Hoy, so ilabay.
Ginagawa mo.
Yan. So, daling ko dapat yung aking jacket, pero sabi wag na daw. Ayan guys, makikita nyo mahababang trekking na naman to. Ayan.
Tignan yung may walang kulang.
Hiking. So, ang limang bundok ko na to guys.
Ginagawa mo.
Mga auntie kong kulasing. Feeling vlogger na naman tayo for today. Ayan. Ang tingin na kaya nag-send sa Pakistan. Kaya kung pa dito dapat. Wala sa inyong suspension. Sure mga auntie yan. May mga kasama ko malayo na. Oh my god, ang lamig. Ginawang aking pepe.
Wait, what?
Sila guys. Yan. Wait!
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka.
Ikaw pa rin pala, hanap-hanap para kahit magpanggap di matatago na ang iyong
So refreshing. Ng Pakistan. O, ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. May nakita akong kulang. Charing. Ayun sila oh. Ayun sila.
Deer.
Present and the abdominal of deer.
What's that?
Abdominal of the deer.
You know deer? Animal deer.
Not the balls?
Yes.
Not balls. That's in
Can I
For
navel.
for pregnancy.
That's pregnancy. Pregnancy, you know.
fragrance.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, pregnancy.
That's natural.
Ang bango niya guys.
Also this.
Ya जबरदस्त है ओरिजिनल मुस्कंबर में
Now we will reach
The top
the top of the
of the
Kumrat Valley.
Yeah.
Now we enjoy with friend and cousin.
Yes.
And so beautiful moment.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah. But tiring.
But tidy. Because climbing, at present climbing.
Yeah.
What you say about the Kumrat Valley?
It's very beautiful. Very relaxing.
Yes.
And of course very peaceful.
What you message to foreign people to come here?
Yeah, I want to tell them that come and visit Pakistan and discover the beauty of Pakistan. Right?
Anybody welcome? Tell to your Gabayan must be buying Salajid.
Salajid.
It's the most powerful things in the world.
You can make that. Ayan o.
Put in the water or milk and then after
Ayun yung natural ano nila oh.
see the refrigerator. It's our natural freezer.
Yes.
Natural invention.
Ngayon lang siya. Binabad lang nilagay sa tubig kasi malamig na yung tubig nila. Tingnan mo naman. Ang ganda.
It's so beautiful.
Yes. Until there, right? Ito na yung trail guys. Tatawid kami. Oh my God. So we have reached the, I think this is the peak. Sanggayen? Only Sanggayen. Yes. Yun nga guys, so you can see ayan, kami tulog kagabi.
हमारा जी
So ayun nga guys, so ito kami ngayon sa aming tinuloy kagabi soon na ganda guys. Parang isa. Ayan, sige. Pogi ka ba? Ha? Pogi ka ba? Oo. Gusto nga Rod? Salam alaikum.
मुंगो गुस्ताल दरा उठन वाला तम लगे उसका कांटेक्ट नंबर न होतल ते बिसबिया वाला मसला हो जो भागे की जगह शो
हाँ जी خير دي جت
बरोबर खाते दे वही
وس ورا له جبرا
आवाज मके तम
وس بس هو بس يكوجي بس يكوجي ودي زي كسو بيكسل دو باز
दल लगे
Nasita na naman kami.
बस जू वापस कौजी इंतजार को में जो गाड़ी गाड़ी तक का
Ang saya, ang ganda lang ng Pakistan.
Said is able to making. You want to take picture?
Okay. Ang gorgeous view. Winardyahan na naman tayo. Ganito dito, pag nagpunta kayo, may security.
The Pakistan government give to security Mickey.
Yeah.
Give security to
For
Mickey.
safety, right?
For safety. So
Yeah.
this is good initiative.
Thank
for
you so
Pakistan
much, yeah.
government. We
So,
welcome.
Don't be afraid if you want to
Yes,
come here.
yes. Don't be afraid.
Because you will be safe.
Everyone come to
Yeah.
here and enjoy Pakistani
Yeah.
beauty. So
Everyone is safe, right?
yes,
And
everyone is safe.
Yeah, and I've been in the border of Afghanistan. It's
Yes,
safe.
yes. All are
Yeah.
the Afghanistan border are safe.
Yes. All the bad things that you hear
Yes.
on the news,
Yes.
forget about it. Try to come here. You will
Yes.
see. It's very
Try
safe.
to come here and enjoy your life.
Yes.
Spend with Pakistani people.
But 2 weeks is not enough.
Yes.
Kung pupunta kayo dito, make sure you book your stay here at least 1 month. Kasi there's a lot of places here that you can go, that you can visit. And here's the local cow.
Yes.
Together also with us, they are securing us. Part of security measures. The cows. Yes. Dismal na.
Start.
Ayan, so lumipat kami ng car kasi nga aakyat ng bundok, so kailangan ng 4x4.
Huh?
Chal to इधर.
So ayan, mga girl ng lola nyo kakabiyahe.